Hello, hi and Jai Ho and welcome children. This is your Ruth Miss from SK Public CBSE School, Phuket. Children, today is the second day, that is of the week. Okay, so today is Tuesday and the date is 2/9/2021. Okay, today's date. Now, before beginning the class, always I am repeating, see that you say the Gayatri Mantra and also the God's Prayer. Okay. Now, in yesterday's class, we have studied a rhyme, recited a rhyme. Hope you all are practicing. Okay. Here, today we are going to start the conversation part 5, which is in your rhyme book. Now we have finished conversation about myself, mummy, my mummy, daddy and also my family. Today we are going to see about my school. My school. Okay, this is your school, right children? This is your school. So we will see few things about your school which you have to know. Now in school, what will be there? In the school there will be a beautiful building. Yes, that is your school is very beautiful. There is a beautiful garden, there are beautiful classrooms. In school there will be offices and also many classrooms. And we will be having teachers, friends, and there will be school bus, right? Playground, principal, okay? And also aunties, uncles will bring you in the school bus. So these all are there. These all people will be there, and also there will be a beautiful building where there will be many classrooms. Now in your rhyme book, as you can see here, there are few questions where they have given the dash. Now school, which school? For all the schools there will be one or the other name, because we can't tell now that school, this school, right? We have to say, my school name is, right? My school name is school. No, which school? So, here in this book, at my school, first question, where they have given the dash, you can see, there you have to write, my school name is, already it is written. Okay? Where they have given the dash, there you write the name of the school, of your school, because heading is my school. So I am writing, you all know now ABCD, right? See, looking at this, you can write down this in your rhyme book with the pencil, not with the pen. Use pencil, okay children, and don't make or tell your mummy to write and give. You have to write. My school. So first one is, in the dash, you have to write, my school name is, then dash is there. In that dash you have to write capital S, capital K, SK, capital letter P, U, B, L, I, C, public, SK public, capital C, capital B, capital S, capital E. Okay, my school name is SK Public CBSE School. Again, BSE with capital, and then Phuket. Again, Phuket spelling begin with capital, and then write KERI. Okay. Okay, my school, and you have to say the full sentence. My school name is SK Public CBSE School, Phuket. Okay children, you have to use public and then CBSE compulsory. Understood? My school name is SK Public CBSE School, Phuket. Now second question. What is it? It has many classrooms. So you will tell there are many classrooms. Now the third question. It has, so what will be there in the school? Only benches and chairs? No, there are many children and teachers. So third point is many teachers and children. Okay. Now the fourth question is, fourth, my teacher's name is, what is your teacher's name? Okay, my teacher's name is written, dash is there, there you will write Mrs. Ruth. Okay, my teacher's name is Mrs. Ruth. Okay, my class teacher's name is Mrs. Ruth, or you can say Ruth Miss or Ruth Ma'am. Okay, children. Now the fifth question is, fifth one. Dash is the principal. Who is the principal? We have to write the principal's name first. Dash is the principal. Okay, so first write Mr. M.I. Mr. Raghav. R-A-G. G-H-A. Raghav. Vendra. V-E-N-D-R-A. Raghavendra. Right, K. That is Kulkarni. Mr. Raghavendra Kulkarni is the principal. Now next is number 6. I go to school by bus. You can write car. You can write walk. You can write by bike. Okay. And last, number 7 is I love going to school. Okay, children, you all are missing your school, but you have to practice this. Okay, children, you practice this. Now we'll get back to the writing. Okay.
After learning about my school, we will get back to the writing work, that is in your writing skill, capital and small letter. Children, as you all know, we are finishing our textbook. So here, this is the last page of your textbook which we are going to complete today. And children, see that you keep your book safe. Okay. After completing, please don't throw your book here and there. Okay. Whenever we are asking for the correction, we would ask you to bring this book. So see that you keep your book safe. Okay. Keep your book properly. After completing, give in your mummy's hand, tell to keep in a proper place. So whenever I'll give some reading work, you can take this book and do the reading work. But don't keep your book here and there. I don't want any excuse. Okay. Now just turn your book to page number 103. Okay. This is 103. Can you see here? 103. You all have taken your pencil too and eraser. Yeah. Pencil and eraser. Why do you need eraser, children? Will anybody tell? Why do we need eraser? We need eraser to erase. If we make any mistake, we can erase them. Okay. Now, here, can you see the classwork? This is classwork. C-L-A-S-S-W-O-R-K. Classwork. This is classwork. And this is trace the letters A to Z. Here, they have given capital A and small a to capital Z to small z. Before beginning, you have to write the date. So, yesterday was 20 and today would be 21. Today is 21. So, all are ready? Okay. So, first write the date. 2/1/21/09/2021. Got it? Yeah. First is tracing. You all can do the tracing work, right? Yeah. So, you all trace this properly. First write on this and then turn your page. This is the last. I am not tracing here, but you have to trace, children. Okay? Complete this and then turn the page. And again write today's date here. What is? Yes, it is 21/9/2021. Okay. Again, this is classwork. So, we have to complete both together. Yes. So, here write the letters A to Z. In the previous page, in the back page, they are given trace. But here you have to write. Read and write. A. From red line to blue line. A. Leave little space and write A. A for anchor. A for apple. A for alligator. A for arrow. A for axe. A for Akshay. A for Arush. A for Aradhya. A for Aman. A for Abdul. Many names are there. You can just go on repeating. A. The next letter is letter B. Capital B. B for ball. B for bag. B for bat. B for balloon. B for bridge. B for bricks. B for boy. S. So, say the words which begin with letter B. Now, next is letter C. Capital C, small c. C for cat. C for candle. C for cake. C for car. C for can. C sounds k. Okay? K. The next letter after C is letter D. Capital D, small d. D for dog. D for drum. D for doll. D for date. Yes, D for date you can see here. Date. D for any word you remember, children? Yes, try to. D for dais, you play snake and ladder. Yes, that is known as dais. D for dais. E. E for elephant. E for egg. E for Ellie the elephant. E for S. Any other name which you remember? E for. Why, children, you are not practicing? You have to imagine, you have to pronounce the words, right? E for you are having part of the body, ear, eye, these are E for, right? Yes. After E, next comes letter F. F for fish, F for frog, F for fan, F for fun. Next is letter G. G for girl, G for goat, G for jack, G for again, grapes, goose, goosey, guava. H. Next is H. H for hut, H for hat, H for horse, H for house, H for harsh. Next is letter I. I for ink, I for igloo, I for ice, I for Italy, idli. Next is letter J. J for jug, J for jam, J for joker, J for jelly, J for Jackie. K. The next is K. K for kite, K for king, K for kangaroo, K for Komal, K for Kamala, K for kite. The next is letter L. L. L for lion, L for lamp, L for lily, L for lotus. Next is M. M for man, M for monkey, M for moon, M for Maggie, M for mill. Next is letter N. N for nest, N for nurse, N for nose, N for nib, N for NICU, Nikki, S, O. The next is letter O. O for orange, O for ostrich, O for owl, O for open. The next is letter P. P for parrot, P for pin, P for peacock, P for pink, P for pinky, P for Padma, P for you can tell the names of person, right? Yeah, you can tell the color's name, animal's name, person's name, place name. P for Pune. The next is letter Q. Q for queen, Q for quill, Q for quite. R. The next letter is R. R for rose, R for rabbit, R for your teacher's name. Teacher name is Ruth Miss. S. R for. The next letter is letter S. S for sun, S for ship, S for sandal, S for stone, S for sun. Okay? After S, next comes letter T. T for tiger, T for tattoo, T for tiny, T for Tina, T for TikTok, T. After T, U. U for umbrella, U for uniform, U for unicorn, U for urn, U for Usha. Okay, U. The next is letter V. V for van, V for vase, V for violet, V for Vinod. The next is letter W. W for watch, W for wall, W for water, W for wallet, W. After W, the next comes letter X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas, X for mix as it is in your book. Okay? X for xylophone. The next is letter Y. Y for yak, Y for yacht, Y for yarn, Y for Y for yo-yo. Last is letter Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z for zip. Okay, the children, zoo. Children, you read each letter and then write and complete it. Write neatly, write slowly. Practice writing at home. Okay, children, so I'll be back with the next class. Till then, complete your work. Bye, children. Take care.